Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on your HONOR MagicBook. To do it, you'll need to use a keyboard shortcut, and there are two different ways, different shortcuts which you can use, and they are gonna serve the same purpose. So you can either click on Windows, Shift and S, and it'll get to that tool, which I'm gonna explain all in a moment. But you can also click on the print screen button, which in this case it's here, but in the English version it'll say print screen, and you can click on that and it'll also get to that tool. If it doesn't, then before clicking on that you need to first click on Fn key until the light on it goes off, then click on the print screen key. And here you are in this tool and you can select whether you want to take the screenshot or record screen. In the screenshot, you can do a rectangle, window, full screen or freeform, and I'm gonna show you all of them. So the rectangle one, you can just select it, then draw the rectangle that you want to screenshot, and now it'll automatically be copied to your clipboard as well as saved to screenshots folder. You don't need to click on this notification because you can just find it by going to the File Explorer, then Pictures, and then Screenshots. And it should be here, I believe. Yes, it is here. So that's how you find it. Of course, you can also paste it somewhere with the Ctrl-V shortcut on your keyboard. Then another way of screenshotting is screenshotting a window. So I'm gonna open the File Explorer, then go to the Screenshot tool and click on the window. Now you need to hover over the window and click on it, and it'll screenshot the whole window without the surroundings. By the way, you can click on the notification if you want, because here you can draw on it with a pen or with the highlighter. Then after that, remember that you need to save it or copy it, and it'll save or copy the edited version. Now you also can do a full screen screenshot like that, or a freeform, which I don't really find useful, but if you do, you can just use it like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.